Hi, I'm Yvette Rios, and it won't be long until trick-or-treaters are knocking at my door. I've got my front porch almost ready, but it needs a little extra touch. Let's get started. I'm starting with a pumpkin that's got a really classic jack-o'-lantern shape. Since these guys have been sitting around a patch, you probably want to clean it off. We're using a stencil. These make life so much easier when you're trying to come up with a design for your jack-o'-lantern. But if you get a pumpkin carving kit like this, it'll also come with some stencils in the back that you can use. So in your carving kit, you'll probably find this tracing tool here. This is such a useful tool. So you can see how the pattern was transferred onto the pumpkin with these tiny little dots. So basically you're gonna be connecting the dots when it comes time to carve. I wanna show you guys this really great tip. Cut the pumpkin from the bottom instead of the top. If you plan to put any candles or any lighting inside, it's nice to have a nice flat surface to put that on and then be able to put your jack-o'-lantern right on top of it. Okay, so my scraping is just about done, and now it's time to carve. There are a couple of different size knives in your pumpkin carving kit. Lots of really detailed designs are gonna need the smaller one. So what's great about these is they're really fine, so they can turn corners and do fine detail a little easier. So you're just gonna kind of saw it back and forth and just trace your design. Okay, there we go, looks pretty good. Now you guys may think I'm crazy, but go ahead and grab a can of hairspray because this is gonna be your secret weapon. You spray down your carved pumpkin, it'll slow down the rotting process and it'll prevent critters from eating your hard work. And you wanna do this every couple of days to keep your jack-o'-lantern fresh. I'm gonna take it out to the porch. Wow, the front porch is really coming together, but it needs a little finishing touch. And I think that's our jack-o'-lantern over here. Now, I picked up an LED puck light to put right underneath, so that way he can shine even brighter. And it's great because you don't have to worry about open flames. So I want to show you guys these Cinderella pumpkins. I love that they're white and the shape really pops against the orange ones. You can always put mums inside of cauldrons like this to make it wickedly cool. And I just am obsessed with these witches' hats. They're so cool. They're mesh and they've got LED lights in them so they'll shine bright at night so trick-or-treaters can see them. These big hairy spiders are super cool. I love that they're nice and big so you don't need a lot of them to make a statement. This was so quick and easy that all I have to do is pop the spooky things off and I'm ready for Thanksgiving. But with Halloween right around the corner, I gotta go get some candy.